Virtual reality in healthcare, advancements and uses. Virtual reality in healthcare, advancements and uses. Virtual reality, VR, is a technology that has been around for a while, but its applications in healthcare have only recently started to take off. The evolution of virtual reality. Virtual reality technology has come a long way since its inception in the mid-20th century. The first virtual reality device was the Sensorama, developed in 1962 by Morton Heilig, an American cinematographer and inventor. This device was designed to create an immersive experience for users, simulating the senses of smell, sight, sound, and touch. However, the bulky size and high cost made it impractical for widespread use. It was not until the 1990s that the technology started to gain traction, with the creation of the first consumer virtual reality devices, such as the Virtual Boy by Nintendo. However, these early devices were still limited in terms of features and capabilities. In recent years, advancements in technology have made virtual reality devices more cost-effective, compact, and versatile. Today, VR is used not only for entertainment purposes but also in fields such as education, engineering, and healthcare. Virtual reality in healthcare, how it works. Virtual reality in healthcare involves the use of VR headsets or other devices to create a simulated environment for patients and healthcare providers. This technology allows patients to experience a fully immersive and interactive environment, which can be used to help alleviate pain, reduce stress, and improve mental health outcomes. There are several ways in which virtual reality is being used in healthcare. For example, VR technology can be used to simulate surgical procedures or medical training, allowing medical students and doctors to practice procedures in a safe and controlled environment. This can help to improve patient outcomes during real procedures. Similarly, VR technology can be used to help patients with rehabilitation after an injury or stroke. For example, the patient may use VR to practice walking, reaching, or other movements as part of their rehabilitation program. This can help to improve motor function and reduce pain and discomfort during the recovery process. VR technology can also be used to help patients with mental health conditions, such as anxiety or PTSD. By providing a simulated environment, patients can be exposed to a controlled and safe environment, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels. VR can be used to simulate exposure therapy, where the patient is gradually exposed to the source of their anxiety in a controlled manner. This can help to desensitize them to the anxiety-provoking situation over time. Advancements in virtual reality in healthcare. One of the key advancements in virtual reality in healthcare is the creation of more sophisticated hardware and software. Today's VR devices are more compact, comfortable, and affordable than ever before, making them more accessible to healthcare providers and patients. Another important development has been in the creation of new applications and software platforms designed specifically for healthcare. For example, Proximie is a VR platform that allows doctors to perform surgeries remotely, while the patient is present in the operating room. This technology can help to improve access to healthcare in remote or underserved areas, allowing patients to receive expert care from anywhere in the world. Another example of VR in healthcare is the use of the Oculus Quest headset for virtual reality therapy. This headset uses a combination of audio and visual cues to help patients with anxiety, PTSD, or substance abuse disorders to overcome their fears and triggers. The software is customized to the individual patient, allowing for a more personalized and effective therapy experience. Benefits of virtual reality in healthcare. The use of virtual reality in healthcare can bring many benefits to both patients and healthcare providers. For example, VR technology can help to improve patient outcomes by allowing doctors and medical students to practice procedures and surgeries in a safe and controlled environment. VR technology can also help to reduce the cost of healthcare by providing remote access to medical care. For example, patients in remote or underserved areas can receive expert medical care from anywhere in the world, without the need for expensive travel or accommodations. Another benefit of virtual reality in healthcare is that it can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels in patients. Virtual reality in healthcare can also help to improve patient engagement and adherence to treatment plans. By providing a more immersive and interactive experience, patients are more likely to remain engaged with their treatment and see it through to completion. Challenges and limitations of virtual reality in healthcare. While virtual reality in healthcare has many benefits, it also has some challenges and limitations. One of the biggest challenges is the cost of VR devices and software platforms. While the cost of VR has reduced significantly over the years, the initial investment can still be expensive for healthcare providers and patients alike. Another challenge is the need for specialized training and expertise to use virtual reality in healthcare effectively. Healthcare providers need to be trained in the use of VR devices and software, and patients need to be familiarized with the technology to get the most out of their therapy or treatment. Limitations in the current state of virtual reality technology can also be a challenge. For example, the resolution and visual quality of VR devices may not be as high as real life, which can affect the accuracy and precision of surgical simulations or medical training. As virtual reality technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses in healthcare. For example, VR could be used to create personalized treatment plans for each patient, based on their individual needs and progress. It could also be used to develop new therapies for conditions such as chronic pain or addiction. It could also be used to create virtual simulations of medical research, allowing researchers to test hypotheses and explore new treatment options. Another potential application of virtual reality in healthcare is in the field of telemedicine. Virtual reality could be used to create a more immersive and interactive experience for remote medical consultations, enhancing the quality of care for patients in remote or underserved areas. Virtual reality, VR, is hailed as the latest technological boon to the world of healthcare that can transform patients' lives. With VR, a patient immerses themselves in a digitally generated environment that creates a simulated world of 3D visuals and sound that mimics the real world. The advancements in VR technology and its applications have made it a potent tool for healthcare providers, medical students, and researchers alike. With its ability to offer a sense of escapism, VR technology has helped in reducing stress levels, pain management, and anxiety, making it an indispensable asset in the world of medicine. Medical training and surgical simulations. Furthermore, surgical simulations that let doctors hone their skills and perfect techniques before operating on real patients can also be conducted in a virtual environment. With VR simulations, surgery outcomes may improve, and learning curves for new skills can be significantly accelerated.